Stop wasting hours in the gym. Science just confirmed that 3 movements can transform your entire body. You've been lied to. The fitness industry wants you to believe you need dozens of exercises, expensive equipment, and complicated routines. But here's the truth: your body doesn't care about variety. It cares about fundamental movement patterns. And there are only 3 that matter. Section 1. The squat. The first exercise is the squat. Not because it's trendy. Because it's survival. Every time you sit down and stand up, you're squatting. Your legs contain the largest muscle groups in your body. When you squat, you're not just building your quads and glutes. You're forcing your core to stabilize. You're increasing bone density. You're improving mobility in your hips and ankles. Studies show that squat strength directly correlates with longevity. People who can't squat have higher mortality rates. This isn't about aesthetics. It's about maintaining independence as you age. Body weight squats. Goblet squats. Barbell back squats. Pick your variation based on your level. But make squatting non-negotiable. Section 2. The push. The second exercise is any horizontal push. Think push-ups or bench press. Pushing movements build your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But more importantly, they teach your body to generate force while maintaining spinal stability. This translates to real-world strength. Here's what most people miss. Pushing isn't just about muscle. It's about bone health. Resistance training increases bone mineral density, especially in your upper body where osteoporosis hits hardest. Wall push-ups for beginners. Standard push-ups for intermediate. Weighted bench press for advanced. The movement pattern is what counts. Section 3. The pull. The third exercise is any vertical or horizontal pull. Rows, pull-ups, lat pull-downs. Modern life is destroying your posture. You're hunched over screens for hours every day. Pulling movements are the antidote. They strengthen your back, your rear deltoids, and your biceps. They counteract the forward shoulder roll that's epidemic in our society. But here's the real benefit: grip strength. When you pull, you're forced to grip. And grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of overall health and lifespan. Stronger grip equals lower risk of heart disease, lower mortality, better cognitive function. Inverted rows. Resistance band rows. Pull-ups. Find a pull you can do and progress it. The science: these 3 movements hit every major muscle group. Squats target your lower body. Pushes hit your anterior chain. Pulls work your posterior chain. Together, they create balanced development. Research published in sports medicine journals confirms that multi-joint compound movements produce superior results compared to isolation exercises. They burn more calories. They trigger greater hormonal responses. They build functional strength that transfers to daily life. The protocol: you don't need 6 days a week. 3 sessions. 20 to 30 minutes each. 1 squat variation. 1 push variation. 1 pull variation. 3 to 4 sets of each. 8 to 12 repetitions. Progressive overload every week. That's it. No complicated splits. No endless accessory work. Just consistent effort on movements that actually matter. The fitness industry profits from confusion. From making you think you need more. More exercises. More equipment. More time. But your body evolved to move in fundamental patterns. Squat. Push. Pull. Master these three, and everything else is just noise. Stop chasing perfection. Start building consistency. Your future self will thank you.